Alright, I've gone a wee bit further here. Situation at the minute, oops, if I don't drop my RAM. The situation at the minute is processor there's dead. Show you how I know this. What is it with this camera? It doesn't want to focus tonight. There it goes. Right, I'll show you. New crystal. Power's back on. If I get this in shot. This is pin 10. Which is read write. And it's doing absolutely nothing. We've got good enable line now. I've rebuilt all this section so we've got good RAM supply. But that's dead. And the read write's dead. Which is down here. Processor screwed up. So borrowed one off a good working board. Come on, camera. Camera just can't focus on this for some reason. Yeah, whatever. Borrowed one off a good working board. Going to replace that with this. And we'll stick it in a socket. And that way, if there's any problems, we can take it back out. By the way, if you're changing a dead part and you know it's dead, don't even attempt to desolder it. Cut the thing out. Tried and tested method. What I'm doing here is snip all the pins close to the body of the chip. Going through them like that. A bit tricky to do this on camera, but never mind. You get the idea. Snip them down. And you see how it splays out the leg. Yeah, like so. If you do it this way, it minimises the risks of lifting pads, breaking tracks, breaking through holes. There aren't that many through holes in MPU3 anyway, but it still minimises the risk. You cut it out, you lift it off. Look underneath it. Not that much in the discoloration. Ooh, I dropped the thing. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. No external damage, but it is dead. The next thing you do is you heat up all these pins one at a time, which is quite easy to do with MPU3 because you can stand the board up and just take them out. So I'll get on with that now, and we'll change the socket over. So far so good. Now the way you do that to remove all the pins is you heat them up from the back, and then you carefully tug them through from the front. You shouldn't need any effort at all, it should just really enough fall out really. Okay, now I've got to clean up the holes, and that's got to go in there. Okay, the new processor is in. Power back up. Let the camera focus in on the read write pin. Come on. And bloody impossible to do this off camera. There we are. Hi. We have a signal of the read write. Probably better to grab it here. And more importantly, focus on the other pins. Where do I find it again? Has it halted? It was around here, wasn't it? There we are. We have activity there. That is pin 37. And we've got a pulse of some description. So we know now we're getting some sort of activity. We also know we're getting a clock signal here now. Okay. So we're getting somewhere. Board is actually starting up and booting up, but not running any of the outputs yet. The reason for it is we have an IRQ line stuck low. It's getting a bit tricky to do this with the camera and with the camera plugged in, but if I have a probe around the rest of the lines, see some of these address lines are stuck low, but quite a few of them are running. So at the minute, what this is trying to do is service some sort of interrupt routine. What I need to do now is find out why it's stuck low. So, saga continues.